Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to hold your app and swipe it to the top right corner. Then let go, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, hold it by those 3 dots and drag it. If you wish to make it bigger, click on the bottom left corner over here, and if you wish to close it, you need to click on the background apps and simply close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!